Are you tired of feeling drained and lacking energy throughout the day? Ever experienced that midday crash where your energy hits rock bottom? Maybe you're a student struggling to focus, or an adult dragging yourself through your workday. And did you ever feel like you're running on empty and just relying on coffee to function? That was me, exhausted all day, every day. It felt like I was dragging myself through each moment, barely able to keep my eyes open. It wasn't just physical exhaustion, it took a toll on my productivity and my mood too. All I ever wanted to do was crash on the sofa and zone out. If you are feeling like this, then you are not alone. Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Kach and welcome back to my channel. Through my own journey and insights from the experts, I have discovered some powerful techniques that can reclaim my energy naturally. We all know the things that are supposed to make us feel awake and energetic, like sleep, food and exercise. But sometimes we skip doing them, right? That's where this video comes in. This video will explain why these things work and how to use them to feel great all day long. So, let's get started with the video. Many people struggle with low energy levels throughout the day, right? But the good news is what you eat can have a big impact on how you feel. Here's how. Sugary foods can give you a big boost of energy, but it doesn't last for long. Research shows that they can leave you feeling tired and wanting for more. This is because they cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash. That leads to fatigue. Morning sugar intake can have a big impact on your health and your energy too. Sugar initially boosts energy, but then sudden crash leads to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Try cutting back on sugary snacks and drinks, and choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains instead. And one more common thing we all do is we skip meals, correct? Skipping meals is a common habit, but it leads to fatigue. Eating small regular meals and snacks will help your blood sugar levels stable and avoiding those energy crashes. Think of it like refilling your vehicle before it runs dry. Start by making small changes and aim for 3 balanced meals and snacks daily. And in the long run, you will feel the difference. Second point, caffeine. Coffee and tea contains caffeine, a brain superhero that blocks adenosine, the molecule that is responsible for signaling sleep time. Caffeine keeps you alert and energetic, but it fades away over time. That's good news, but the thing is, caffeine's half-life is about 5 hours. So if you have a cup of coffee at 4 pm, by 9 pm, half of the caffeine still remains in your body, which can affect your sleep. While caffeine boosts focus and energy, too much reliance can disrupt your sleep and leading to fatigue. So we have to use caffeine wisely. But how? Have a cup of coffee in the morning for focus boost, but don't overdo it. Limit intake to a couple of cups and avoid having caffeine after lunch. Listen to your body. If you're feeling jittery or can't sleep, then cut back on the caffeine. And remember, caffeine is the tool. Use it wisely. And did you know that feeling tired or exhausted can be one of the signs for dehydration? Yes, it's true. Even mild dehydration can impact your focus and coordination, leaving you feeling drained. When we are low on fluids, our body struggles to function optimally and leaving us feeling tired. So, make water your go-to beverage. Carry a water bottle along with you and sip throughout the day. And aim for a glass of water first thing in the morning and before meals. And it's shocking how many of us sacrifice sleep for our deadlines, exams, and mindlessly scrolling. But here's the wake-up call. Skipping on sleep drains your energy big time. Your body needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep to recharge and repair. How do we exactly do that? Stick to a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. And have a relaxing bedtime routine. Swap screens for book. Reading before bed beats watching TV or scrolling any day. Blue light messes with your sleep cycle, while a good book sets the stage and promotes quality sleep. Ever feel like you're a multitasking master, jumping from one task to another? Multitasking is more like multi-draining, isn't it? Jumping all day around may feel productive, but it actually drains your energy. Your brain gets overloaded like a computer with too many tabs open. Switching tasks takes time, about 23 minutes to get back on the task that you were working previously. Now imagine how many times we get distracted in a day. It's a wonder that any task gets done. All this switching leaves you feeling tired and stressed. Now, skip the multitasking and focus on one thing before moving on to the other one. This way, you'll get more things done with less stress and have more energy later. But that's not all. Make sure to take short breaks throughout the day to recharge your mind and refresh. And also don't forget about power naps. A short nap can work wonders for your focus and energy. Now, daily stress may not seem significant, but it can impact your energy levels in the long run. Stress triggers cortisol release, leading to fatigue and mental health issues. Managing a stress is very crucial. Exercise, journaling, and mindfulness practices like meditation can really help. Effective stress management can enhance energy and well-being. And surrounding yourself with gloomy and downbeat people can zap your energy. But spending time with optimistic, vibrant, and ambitious people is hugely energizing. The characteristics of those who around you are inevitably contagious. So choose your friends wisely. Now, last but not least, exercise. When you feel tired, exercise can be counterintuitive, but it's a big boost for energy. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood lifting and energy enhancing effects. Any physical activity would work, like running, hitting the gym, or playing any sport. Exercise doesn't have to be intense for it to be beneficial, and even low intensity exercises can significantly impact your energy. Find an activity that you really enjoy, like brisk walking, swimming, or anything. So many people feel tired and lack the energy that is needed for them to function throughout the day. However, by following the above steps consistently, you can significantly improve your energy levels and overall health since they are all connected to each other. It's worth taking a look at your lifestyle and see what healthy changes that you have to make for your life. So let me know in the comment section of what are changes you're making in your life. I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you so much for joining today, and subscribe my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.